This is Canon Vickery, and I'm working on Chapter 9, Activity 9.7, Configuring our Folder Redirection Policy. Right now I'm logged into my Server 1 as administrator. We're going to go to our Folder Explorer and create a folder name called Redirected. Redirected. Now we're going to open up our properties, our sharing, advanced sharing. We want to share this folder with everyone. Share with everyone. Okay, so now that's shared. We're going to open up our group policy management console, so tools, group policy management. We're going to create a GPO. Let's see. I want group policy objects folder. Here we go. This is what I was looking for. New GPO called folder REDIR. Edit. User configurations, policies, window settings, and folder redirection. And documents, right click it, go to properties. In our, let's see, in our document properties, okay, and basic, redirect everyone's folder to the same location. Click the target folder location. I want to create a folder for each user under the root path. That's right. In our root path, we want it to be // 411 server 1 redirected. Okay. Now in the settings tab, we want to view the available options. Click the grant the user exclusive right to documents checkbox. We want to click the redirect the folder back to the local user profile location when policy is removed. And we'll click OK. In our warning box, click yes. Alright. I'll close this. Now in here, we want to link what do we want to link? We want to link our folder our GPO to our test OU1. There's our test OU1. There we go. Alright. Now in here, we want to be logged on. Test user 1. Let me pause the video real quick. You're back. Hey, so I'm back. I was just doing some looking, and so I was messing around with my Windows 8 PC, and my domain got messed up. I was screwing around, messing stuff up. So the last few steps of this activity isn't going to work quite right. But I can still show you what to do. First thing you want to do is go to your run, go to CMD and do a GP update. Want to update your group policy. Then after that, you restart and you log in as your test user 1. Right now I'm logged in as administrator. My test user 1's currently deactivated. And then from here, if your redirect policy was working how it should, in your in our documents folder, there would be a file called test redirect, like the one we created earlier. Or excuse me, yeah, we in our documents folder we would create a text file called test redirect. But because my domain, like my whole domain system's kind of messed up right now, I'm not going to be able to show that off. But that's what it's supposed to do. And then we'd be able to go back to our server 1 and see it there. But yeah, after you do that, you want to go to your server 1 and you want to unlink your it'd be in here, I believe. You want to unlink these, if I can find them in the wrong spot. Tools, group policy management. You want to unlink this from here. And you can delete it out of this and we'll actually delete the policy. But yeah, it'll unlink it, which is what you want to do. But that's everything for this activity. Sorry my domain's not working right, so I can show you the full, so I can't show you the full how the configuring a folder redirection policy works. But I do hope this helped you somewhat. But yeah, thanks. Bye.